Hello and welcome. This is a detailed study of a painting of Anne of Denmark circa 1600, and in this study I have already finished the underpainting, and I'm adding the middle layer of the painting, which will then be highlighted with details in a future session. There is a lot of patterned embroidery on this dress, so I'm plotting it out here and will be adding the stitching detail later. I'm adding another layer to the front part of the bodice to clean it up. Here I'm adding the base layer for what will become gold. This is a yellow ochre, and I will not be adding any highlights or shadows now. That will come later when it's dry. Here I'm starting to add the base layer for more pearls. I changed my mind about the placement of the diamond jewel. With oil paint, you can wipe off paint with some success before it dries, so I'm doing that here. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.